Cameras on, if possible.
Okay, it's okay.
Good morning from Los Angeles. Good morning to all. Vedita and me, we are joining from
morning.
USA. So it's morning over here and good evening to India. So I can see a very beautiful face of Anushri, quite young, enthusiastic, learn about the nutrition. Thank you for joining. Thank you so much. नीतू शर्मा जी हमारे साथ हैं, दीक्षा है हमारे साथ, दीपाली, स्मिता. If you can open your video, Rakesh. Come. Karthik. Because already we are sitting, in online mode. So it's better to have at least few glimpses of your beautiful faces. Smita, Dipali, Rakesh, open your videos, please, so that we can interact better way. Okay, let me share my screen today. I would like to request the host, allow me. Okay. Smita, nutrition की बातें सुनेंगे किचन से. Okay, great. I know it's a dinner time. You can hear, no issues. No issues. ये सबसे बड़ा एडवांटेज है ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का. Otherwise, you have to sit in a class, in a compact scenario. So now we can do multitask. Fine. So now can I share my screen? So as we want to proceed for the nutrition course, I would like to give you a good idea about what is nutrition and why you should learn about nutrition. So in ancient time, when we are talking about the Greek civilization, so there the Aristotle said, the food, the medicine. The food is medicine. The food can use as a medicine because the modern sciences again says you are what you eat. And if we talk about the 5,000 years ago, 7,000 years ago, about the yoga, and the sister science of yoga is Ayurveda. At that time also, with the physical activity, with the yoga, they have included Ayurveda, the science of food as a sister science of yoga. So when we talk about what we are eating, we need to understand that any element, any substance you are eating that is going inside your body is converting into chemical composition. Hi, I'm Dr. Anjum Padyal. I'm Associate Professor, Delhi University, Deshbandhu College, Head of Department, Physical Education and Sports Sciences. I'm International Nutritionist. I'm International Wellness Entrepreneur. And I'm on mission to promote, to prepare million trainers. That can be, the specialization can be the aerobic trainer, yoga trainer, gym trainer, nutritionist, Ayurveda nutrition, obesity management expert, and so on. Because the world has a population, and every individual body on this earth is different than other. Even if we go back to the DNA, and when we talk about the twins also behave differently. So no individual body is same as the other. But the problem in the population is that we want one size fit to all. One diet plan. If it has been shared on your WhatsApp post, Host, can you mute it? Yeah, thank you. So one size fit for all, one diet plan, if it has given some or the other a little improvement or a little benefit to one person, and it shares on the WhatsApp group or Google or maybe viral videos or maybe anything. So everybody want to follow that without considering the chemical composition you have in your body. Let me be clear about this. If all the 5 people in the family are eating apple, an apple a day keeps a doctor away. So if all the 5 family members are eating apple, the apple has a same concentration, same element, but all the 5 bodies after metabolism are going to absorb it differently because we have different chemical compositions inside the body. When we start masticating the food, chewing the food, the first digestion process starts from here, what we call it mechanical metabolism. So mechanical metabolism, but the saliva, we all know the secretion of saliva. Whenever we see a rich food, a good food, or a favorite food, the saliva come across. So the first, with the mechanical metabolism, the first mastication, the first step is mastication when we chew our food. So the saliva, it is a chemical composition. So first metabolism starts with the mechanical metabolism. Now, everybody has a different quality, different quantity, different concentration. From here, the food will go to the stomach. Now, hydrochloric acid, HCl, everybody knows about it. Everybody has a digestive juices. But the stomach, which is having a hydrochloric acid, what is the quantity of that? How much quantity is there in your stomach? Not about, we are not talking about the other family member. What about your stomach? So can you correlate it with your incident that you have eaten something, everybody is fine, but you are feeling uneasy? You felt that it is not being digested. you felt that you want to puke it out, or sometime it happens, you vomit it out. So this is because the quality of chemical composition you have in your stomach. Next comes the intestines. There again, the digestive juices are needed to be secreted to digest. Sometimes people just complain, I am feeling bloated after eating this certain food. Everybody in the family, they have taken the same food, they have eaten the same food, but you are feeling that you are your stomach is bloating, you are feeling uneasy. Then if we talk about the pancreas are responsible for controlling the glycogen, the blood glucose in your blood. Sometimes people, if they consume carbohydrate or direct glucose, their blood glycogen shoots. But rest of the people in the family, they are fine because that particular person, the ability of that pancreas to secrete how much insulin, that depended again upon the individual. So the question is how a simple diet plan, a common diet plan, or any diet plan can help everyone. That's the one thing. The second thing, now we have a different kind of a DNA disease inside us, or sometimes these diseases are lifestyle diseases. These diseases are on the surface. So people know that I am pre-diabetic, or I am a thyroid patient, I am having high blood pressure, stress, anxiety, depression, whatever. So every individual have a different pattern of disease also. Sometimes it is on the surface, we know it, it is started. Sometimes it is lying in the DNA, and whenever the body deteriorates, or the body get trapped into that particular disease, that comes into the surface because your body is not hale and healthy, it is not able to fight with that particular. These are the problems. किसी का माइक ऑन हो गया है, प्लीज माइक ऑफ कर ले. So what is nutrition, and what is the difference between the dietitian and the nutritionist? So dietitian, they are a clinical dietitian, they are the practicing dietitian, they can work in a hospital scenario, they can work with the medical problems or the diseases. Who are nutritionists? Nutritionist is the person who follows nutrition and can advise nutrition to anyone. Whether that is according to your own experience or according to your studies or specialization. So why nutrition is more important than visiting to the dietitians? Because dietitians have a very specific and very limited type of a diet planning. And most of the diet plans are dependent only on the concentration of calories. So the quality of food are very limited. The quantity of food are very limited. But here, people have their own inclination towards particular food. The people have a particular taste, the development of the taste in their life, it's very important, to eat that particular food in their life or in their, daily regime. So we need to concentrate on that also. Outrightly, just stating them, giving them a 700, 900 calorie chart or maybe 1600 calorie chart and restricted them every time that you can't eat this. So do you know the researches says the diet is very initially correlated with the dieting. So dieting means deprivation of the food. This is correlated so much that they have become the substitute of each other. So if you are a dietitian or if you are suggesting any diet, that means you are going to tell them what not to eat. A list will be huge and they have to sacrifice all their favorite food. This is a very wrong phenomena set in the mind of people. So people are now, let us understand the population, how they are thinking. First of all, they outrightly reject any kind of planning, suggestion, or any kind of diet plan because they, in the beginning itself, they say, I can't do dieting. I cannot leave this particular food. Nobody is asking to leave that. We just need an adjustment. That's all. We just need how much portion, how many times. That's all. So dieting word has become a negative word in the dictionary of people. Secondly, if they start following, they leave very fast. I think you all can correlate, one or the other family member or yourself with this. The researchers says an average person, and specifically women, tries minimum 5 to 7 times dieting in their whole lifespan. Each and every time, whenever they get trapped. But 5 to 7 times means they have left it also 5 to 7 times. They couldn't continue it. They couldn't get that desired result, what they were looking for. That is the third problem in the population, not getting the desired result. Now, each time going to the doctor is not the solution because doctor will say this is the precondition of particular disease. Go and follow some nutrition plan, go and follow some exercise regime. So before this pandemic, and still, the obesity is the epidemic. That is a world level issue in every country. Now, when we talk about the obesity or weight management, obesity is a lifestyle disease. So lifestyle, everybody knows in every country now what is our lifestyle. Fine, we accept it. But when obesity occurs, many diseases are correlated with obesity. So ultimately, to save and live hale and healthy, to avoid the diabetes, what is already in your DNA, to avoid the stress, anxiety, panic attack, blood pressure, gout, arthritis, and name the disease. Some or the other person is having that in DNA. So if we want to avoid to trap our body in that disease, which is ancestral to us, the solution is what we are eating to manage our weight. Because if obesity is there, so the body is going to trap slowly and gradually. The systems will start not only deteriorating, but also towards the failure. Diabetes is a failure of pancreas. Liver, fatty liver. Fatty liver is a disease where the liver starts deteriorating and losing the functioning, the appropriate functioning. Stones, gallbladder stones, kidney, acid reflux, indigestion, vomitings, diarrhea, stomachache. These all problems they all start, and then comes the gout, body pain, arthritis, high blood pressure, cholesterol level. So would you like to give this type of a result to the people? Because nutrition can help, where you can make people to eat and reduce weight. That is nutrition. There is no dieting at all. We are not going to ask a person to suffer, deprive themselves of food. Even the people who are overweight, they feel weakness when they are deprived of food because we need everyday energy. We need to fight our life every day. So for that, deprivation of food is not at all suggested and possible because any food which is avoided by the body for a longer duration, again, it is going to give you the negative effect. So when we talk about the macronutrients, that is carbohydrate, fat, protein. So everybody think fat is no, it's wrong because I'm gaining weight. So I should avoid fat. This is another myth. Every cell membrane is made up of fat. So if you are depriving yourself totally from the fat, the cell membrane will be thinning, and thin cell membrane are very easy to be attacked by the diseases. If we have a very thin walls of our house, anybody can enter, anybody can break out. So this is what we are doing to our cell system, which is our defense mechanism. Carbohydrate, no carb diet. Okay, why? The carbohydrates are energy source. So the phenomena is that if we deprived ourselves from the energy sources, so the accumulated energy, the accumulated fat can be converted into the energy. Agree. But for that, you need a 700 calorie burning in aerobic class. Now, just tell me, a person who is suffering with knee pain because of overweight, because of she's 90 kg or he's 100 kgs, are they going to, perform an aerobic class with high intensity and burning 700 calories every day? It's not possible for them. So we need to start differently, not suggesting them and pushing them in high intensity workout and giving them injuries. We need to start strengthening their body for the exercises later on and reducing their fat through proper nutrition. So there is no deprivation of food. I'm on my mission to prepare nutritionists who are known like me, that madam खिला खिला के पतला करती है. Yes, it's possible. You don't need to sacrifice any favorite food. These days in India, it is summer, mango. I think 70% people love mangoes in North India, if I talk about. So they always say, complain, ma'am, mango nahi kha sakte. Kyun? Dietitian ne mana kiya hai. Why? It's a high glycogen. Okay, but we can adjust that glycogen. Just adjusting with the timing, that's all. Generally, when we eat mango, after the lunch, so already the body is fighting and metabolizing the carbohydrate you have just taken, the protein you have just taken, maybe in the form of dal or something. And after that, within 20, 30, 40 minutes or 1 ghante baad, what are you eating? You are eating a mango, a plate of mango. Okay? You want to, and your dietitian is saying, no mango in this summer. And because the weight has not been reduced within those 4 months, 6 months, 8 months, next summer, the next dietitian again say, no mango, no ice cream, no chocolates. Now, every person feels very easy to declare to the society. not to tell them to reduce weight because they are not able to take that torture of depriving themselves from that food. So they declare, हमारा कुछ नहीं हो सकता. I have thyroid, मेरा कुछ नहीं हो सकता. My DNA is so bad. My dadi, nani, my parents, they are all obese. मेरा कुछ नहीं हो सकता. So everybody is easily, just putting the blanket on themselves, blinding themselves, blindfolding themselves. That मेरा कुछ नहीं हो सकता. So this is the wrong notion. This is all because of the dietitian out there working, depriving people, giving them as low calorie, as possible as low calorie chart. This is all wrong. You have to calculate the calories according to their body weight. Because if the body is huge with 100 kgs, 120 kgs, how the suggested diet plan can be followed by the person that 100 calories only in a day. The surface area is so huge. The cells, they are going to deprive with everything. And my last question to everyone, if the journey is to reduce 40 kgs, how they are going to reach over there? If a common formula from the science is every week 1 to 3 kg. So generally it's 1 kg. In a month, 2 to 3 kg is final. So every week 1 kg means 40 weeks. Constantly, you have to get them reduced. 40 weeks means 10 months. How a person is going to walk on that journey for 10 months with the deprivation of all the food. Favorite food, just forget the favorite food. Only 800 to 1200 calorie counts. That's all. No anniversary, no birthday, no socializing, nothing. Is it possible? People get panic in 1 day fasting. करवा चौथ का व्रत 1 दिन का होता है. हाहाकार मचा होता है. कल व्रत है, पानी नहीं पीना है, खाना नहीं खाना. Only for 20, it's hardly for 12 or 18 hours. That's all. So when 1 day is so difficult, how a 10 months journey can be achieved, can be completed. That is why people off and on jump from one diet plan to another diet plan, one dietitian to another dietitian, and not getting any result or any outcome. Ma'am, we have reduced 8 kgs with the crash dieting, and now it is bounced back 18 kgs, 12 kgs, 16 kgs. It is a common statement by everyone. Now look at this lady. She's a principal of 2 schools, educated, highly educated. You cannot make her fool. She has achieved this after trying every top brand of India in terms of gyms and in terms of nutrition. Living in Delhi and NCR, she has even followed the dietitians you are just watching and seeing on newspaper and television, and they have failed. Now, after charging so high, huge money, last quote from everyone she got, Madam, आपका thyroid है, आपका कुछ नहीं हो सकता. So when she came to you and you have charged a very high price, that time also she told you that I am a thyroid patient. अगर thyroid patient पतले नहीं हो सकते, why you have taken the package? And after wasting her money, her time, you are sending her back with the depression, with the stone on the head, कि आपका तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता. I have a very huge objection on these kind of a statement. How come a principal of two school rushing and reaching to her school at 7:30, staying there up to 4:30 or 5 o'clock, and following the diet plan that I have recommended, a nutrition plan. I don't call it a diet plan. They are the nutrition plan. She has not only gained the result, reduced down, get rid of from her obesity, and also emotionally, psychologically, she became strong, because every time she used to tell me, ma'am, I'm a principal of two schools. Thousands of students are watching me. If I cannot keep my fitness, how I go to the mic and tell and motivate my students to be hale and healthy and be happy? I am not happy. I am not at all happy. My soul is trapped in this body, and my confidence is losing, because in front of where I need to lead the society, I need to lead and motivate my students, I am not able to utter a word about the health and happiness. These are the two things I always avoid in my any speeches. I always concentrate on the studies and everything, blah blah blah, but I just don't talk about the health. I just don't talk about the happiness with my students and with my teachers. Just look at the person. Look at the confusion, the dilemma she is living every day. People go for 9 to 5 jobs. She is going to suffer from 7:30 till 5 o'clock constantly, because people are watching, they are communicating, and she herself was saying, I am not an idle person to watch. I'm not an idle person to follow. She herself was going under the anxiety, anxiousness, and kind of a little kind of a depression, where she was not happy. She wanted to do something, so that's why she has gone and she has visited and followed every top-notch brand. That's the tragedy. Here she was the young. She's a young girl, but this is the body. And she has done a fashion designing course from the top institute of Delhi. Now, after finishing her course, very talented girl, but no fashion designer of Delhi, Mehroli, all of them, they were not giving her a chance because of her personality. People judge you from your personality. It is not that you have to show your body or flaunt your body to someone, but people expect you. This is an expectation from you. If you are a principal, if you are a leader of the society, if you say yourself a fashion designer, you need to look like a fashionist. So this is the body. And when she came, it was already 2 years after completing her degree, and she was a little, I won't say depression, don't take it in a negative way, in a bad mood, in a, always in a dilemma, question where to start my journey, how I'm going to start it. She has done a fashion designing course from such an institute, which is a leader of the world. She just doesn't want to open a little boutique in her LA. अपनी गली में एक boutique छोटा सा खोलकर वो नहीं बैठना चाहती थी. She is a fashion designer. She wanted to design for the models, for the huge community out there, not for गली की women or मोहल्ले की women. वो उसका concept नहीं था. She has worked so hard to get even admission in that institution. So this is where she was stuck. Just because of a little thing, that weight, she was little overweight, and the body composition was like that anything she wear, she was not looking even beautiful, not even fitting in the clothes. So from here, we have helped her. So can you imagine how your body, how your health and happiness is dependent upon your weight management, and your career is dependent upon that now. One of the principal from Faridabad, she is not able to take a round in her school because इतना उनके body में pain है, इतना उनके knee pain है, that she says, जो मेरे आंसू आने लग जाते हैं पेन में कि मेरे को अभी राउंड लेने जाना है और 3-3 दिन हो जाते हैं मैं अपने स्कूल का राउंड नहीं लेती हूँ. एंड प्रिंसिपल्स आर सपोज टू टेक अ राउंड every 2 hours, every two after two period. So they are stuck. Now this is the last result I would like to share with you. One of the she's a daughter of one of the very, very, very influential family, having the numerous cinema halls, banquet halls, and even office buildings, residential complexes. And this was the state of this girl. She was studying in the university, second year student that time, and she was naturally a student, at the age of 20, 21. You can see the confidence and the suffering. That is internal suffering. Okay, we can show off the society that we are all fine, we are enjoying it. I just don't want to I just don't want to reduce my weight. You can lie to everyone, but you cannot lie to yourself. She was not at all happy. Every time she go to the university to attend the classes, natural, people compare. You yourself compare. You yourself into the, going down, losing your confidence. And when I asked her before and after, she said, just give me a time, let me reach home and I'll send you rightly or outrightly. And every Women Day, when we were not on online system, offline, so wherever I conduct my Women's Day celebration, she used to reach over there to tell her story. Now, do you think a 21-year-old girl who has to visit and stay in the university for 6 hours, her friends are going to visit to the canteen, a college canteen. I'm a professor. I know college canteens are so important in the life of a student and even professors. Apart from every experience we have in our campuses, the college canteen is something. So do you think, I have asked her, do not visit to your college canteen with your friends because you are going to eat something. And I am not allowing you anything to eat from outside. Take a chapati from your home and sit in front of your friends and eat. Is it possible? Or just stay hungry for 6 hours when you are in the college. Do not eat anything. Even do not smell. लोग कहते हैं हम तो खुशबू से भी मोटे हो जाते हैं. So even do not visit the college canteen. No, it's not possible. You don't have, as a dietitian, you don't have a right to snatch the happy moment from people's life. Just tell them, do not eat this, do not go to kitty, do not visit restaurant, do not celebrate Saturday, do not celebrate your anniversary, birthday, avoid. Everybody is going to eat the cake, but you are not allowed. Why are you punishing them? Because you don't have an exact knowledge. You are studying all that curriculum universities and colleges are teaching, which are not at all upgraded for last 40 years. And that I can claim because I'm a professor, I'm an educationist. The curriculum you are taught, उस time pizza burger नहीं था, glycemic index नहीं था, BMI, आज की date में भी there is a confusion about the BMI because BMI is not correct. As a researcher, I claim from every platform and I really want to do a huge research of crores and crores of people, then only we can adjust the BMI because BMI is not correct. There is a flaws in that. But dietitians are just typifying here a BMI in their office and just look at the weight, आपको यहाँ तक आना है. It's not possible. In the BMI index, The weight of the bones are not calculated. The weight of the organs are not calculated. So people don't know the flaws. I also use BMI, but how to use it sensibly, that is very important to learn. BMR, basal metabolic rate, people don't know about it. So if I am recommending even as a dietitian, a dal, a katori of dal, my basal metabolic rate, if it is slow, it is going to give me arthritis. It is going to give me the gout. So have you calculated the BMR? So everybody has a different capacity for metabolism, for anabolism, for catabolism. So the lack of knowledge in the so-called experts are they are not helping to the society. They are just pushing the society in a more stress, more anxiety, and more depression with the tag "Hamara kuch nahi ho sakta." And my story is that I have reduced 25 kgs after I got paralytic during my pregnancy. And when I did it, after the paralysis, where I cannot move, I cannot perform a 700 calorie burning aerobic class, and being an aerobic expert, international aerobic expert in 1992 from US, I was not able to move my body. And during, you can understand that the phase of pregnancy and delivery, you gain weight, and after that you couldn't move. And when you can't burn the calorie, because 3,500 calories is equal to 1 pound, that is 450 gram. So 3500 calorie में से burn नहीं होगी, because I can't move. So you can just compare it with a 100 kg lady or 120 kg men. They can't do the exercises with a high intensity. They are suffering with body pain. They are suffering with knee pain. And I was suffering with body pain. So I can understand. And that's why I'm so sensitive to help out the people, help out the society. No exercise if possible, then let us do it with the food. And gradually, when you will reduce down halfway the journey, then we will introduce you with the exercise also. Now you can do it. And people do it happily, because पहले उनसे बिल्कुल कुछ नहीं होता था. So if you say, he go and just go for 1 mile walk, they will go for 2 mile walk, because now they can do it. What they were, what they were relishing, seeing people dancing in the aerobic classes, doing all kind of a yoga with flexibility, walking for hours. They couldn't do it. They couldn't move. वो अपने स्कूल का एक राउंड नहीं ले पाते. लोग कहते हैं कि हमने 10,000 steps कर लिए. When they can move, when their body get out of that burden, just it takes 2.5 किलो से 4 किलो तक घटा दीजिए. उसके बाद आप कुछ भी कहिए, they will be whole and heartedly going to
Anjame Padial.
So they are going to follow. आपका कहना मानेंगे. Now I think I have Neetu Sharma here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Neetu did the course of nutrition course, and later on she has done the Ayurveda course and obesity management. She is now dealing with the people. She was a yoga trainer. She's international certified yoga trainer, and just Yogesh informed me Neetu has asked the link. I said, okay, she's also coming. Great. So Neetu, would you like to state your first client you were dealing with, COVID patient, like COVID survivor, suffering with the body pain? So just go ahead. I'm very glad and thank you that you have joined the session, because you can give the one more testimonial from your side as a student and now as an expert dealing with the people who are suffering with one or the other type of a problem. Please go ahead, Neetu. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for giving this opportunity to share my experience. Yes, I recently dealt with a client who was recovering after COVID, and she was having a lot of body pains. and she had not gained much, around like 6 kgs, but her main problem was not to leave her favorite foods, because she was eating with the family, so she didn't want to cook anything separately, something very different, which the family is all not eating, only she is eating. So she wanted to eat with the family only, and she wanted to get rid of her body pains. She told me everybody is happy, everybody is eating the same food, but the same food which I'm eating is not suiting me. I'm bloating and I'm having a lot of body pains. So just by making adjustments in her food timings, because she was having fruits late in the night to just fill her stomach, so just making few adjustments in her eating plan and making her realize that she has to focus on her body by making little changes in the food, which what everybody is eating, what she's eating, but just by making little changes, because the food might be suiting everyone, but the same food is not suiting her. So just by making little changes in that, she has now lost about 3.5 kgs, and she's very happy. Initially, she was very reluctant on sticking on to the diet. Like every day she would eat something which was not in the nutrition plan, and she will say, I felt like eating this because everybody was eating. So we dealt with that very patiently, and now after losing, when she lost in just 4 weeks, she has lost 3.5 kgs. Now she is so particular that what others are eating, she eats whatever she's been told to eat, and she eats on time. She sticks to her nutrition plan because she's very encouraged, and she tells everyone that you might be eating, you are happy eating, but I am not eating because I'm losing weight. I'm on that plan. So she's become very confident, and she wants to follow the plan religiously, and she's happy losing weight, and she's not been deprived of anything. Only thing is we just made changes. Like she was eating mangoes, but she was eating mangoes in the night after food. So we gave her mangoes in the breakfast. That's the best time to eat. You eat at that time. And she was facing constipation issues. That also we dealt with nutrition only. There was no medicine given. All this is helping her a lot, and she's very happy. And she's telling people also, her sister, her friends, that mera bhala ho gaya, tum log bhi apna bhala karo. That's line.
Wow. Bhala kar lo.
That's
my mission.
Yeah.
Everybody who is attending this, if you even when you join and you would like other people to be certified, प्लीज लोगों का भला करने के लिए हमें ज्वाइन करें. शी वॉज सफरिंग विद पेन, और कोविड, चिकनगुनिया, इन सब के बाद पेन बहुत रह जाता है बॉडी में, और लोगों को समझ नहीं आता व्हाट टू डू. कोई मेडिसिन आर नॉट द सॉल्यूशन, बिकॉज एवरी मेडिसिन हैज अ साइड इफेक्ट. अब जिसको चिकनगुनिया 10 साल पहले हुआ था, आज भी उसकी बॉडी में अगर पेन है तो वो कितना पेन किलर खाएगा, और पेन किलर तो सब एंटीबायोटिक्स एंड पेन किलर both are going to hurt the kidney hurt हुआ तो dialysis, suffering will be more. तो भला करना बहुत जरूरी है. एंड नीतू का एक क्वेश्चन था, मैम जब मैंने इनका सबसे पहला, क्योंकि काउंसलिंग्स मैं सिखाती हूँ कैसे लोगों की काउंसलिंग करनी है, तो शी when the first counseling was done, again we both of us sat for the session. तो इसने बोला, मैम सचमुच बताऊं, मैं जब न्यूट्रिशन कोर्स पढ़ रही थी तो मुझे बहुत चीजें लगती थी कि ये सब तो यूट्यूब पर है, गूगल पर है, सबको तो पता है, हमसे कोई क्यों पूछेगा, हमसे कोई क्यों डाइट प्लान लेगा. कोर्स करते करते भी मैं ये सोच रही थी, बिकॉज फॉर पास्ट 8 to 10 years शी इज अ योगा टीचर, तो शी कंडक्ट्स द योगा क्लासेस. व्हेन शी केम इनटू माय कांटेक्ट, आई सेड देखो, योगा के साथ फूड को जो कुछ खा रहे हैं, अगर उसको हम मेडिसिन के तौर पर लोगों को इफेक्ट देना शुरू कर दें तो हम उनकी डिजीज भी ठीक कर सकते हैं. बिकॉज योगा में भी एक लिमिटेशन है कि कुछ आसनास अगर पर्टिकुलर हो ही नहीं रहे, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम पीपल आर नॉट ज्वाइनिंग योगा क्लासेस कि हम इतने फ्लेक्सिबल ही नहीं है, हमसे होगा ही नहीं. दे जस्ट गो थ्रू कि पहला ही आसन पद्मासन है, तो पद्मासन हमसे होना ही नहीं है, तो हम करेंगे कैसे. सो वी डोंट वांट टू डिस्टर्ब द क्लासेस ऑफ योगा, तो वो योगा करने को तैयार. सो ऐसे भी बहुत सारे लोग होंगे. सो अगर हम उनको, फिर मैंने इसको बोला कि अगर तुम ऐसे लोगों को डाइट से पहले थोड़ा सा स्लिम डाउन कर लो, और फिर उनको हम योगा में धीरे धीरे कॉन्फिडेंस ले आए कि हाँ अब तो 2 4 6 किलो कम हो गया, नाउ यू कैन डू इट. So people will join more our mission, Fit India movement, so that हम उनको हेल्थ और हैप्पीनेस, देखिए हेल्थ एंड हैप्पीनेस इज कोरिलेटेड. हेल्थ इज वेल्थ. आपके पूरी बॉडी में, शरीर में दर्द हो रहा है और आपने अगर सोने का भी सूट पहना हुआ है, या आपने अपना सबसे फेवरेट जो भी आप अपने ऊपर लगा सकते हैं, लाद सकते हैं, आप तब भी खुश नहीं हो सकते, बिकॉज योर बॉडी इज पेनिंग, यू आर सफरिंग. आपको अभी डायबिटीज का इंजेक्शन लेना है, आप फंक्शन के अंदर आप केक एंजॉय करेंगे या डायबिटीज का इंजेक्शन, इंसुलिन का इंजेक्शन लेंगे. आई हैव माई प्रोफेसर्स इन माई कॉलेज जो वो 2 घंटे लेक्चर लेने के बाद वॉशरूम जाती हैं अपना इंजेक्शन लेने के लिए. रिटायरमेंट अभी ले नहीं सकते बिकॉज अभी 20 साल का नौकरी पड़ा है, 40 45 46 साल की उम्र है, और वंस अ फेलियर रिवर्स करने में बहुत बहुत मुश्किल होगा. तो व्हाई नॉट, प्रिवेंशन इज बेटर देन क्योर. व्हाई कांट वी प्रिवेंट पीपल. हम उन्हें पहले ही अगर वेट मैनेज करा दें तो बहुत सारी बीमारियों से हम उनको बचा सकते हैं, बिकॉज एंड ऑफ द एनी डिजीज इज अल्टीमेटली फेलियर ऑफ किडनी एंड डायलिसिस. बिकॉज किसी भी डिजीज के लिए मेडिकल साइंस सिर्फ इंजेक्शंस रिकमेंड कर सकती है या मेडिसिन दे सकती है, दैट्स ऑल. अब इंजेक्शंस के साथ ये है कि फिर उसकी मात्रा बढ़ती चली जाती है. द केमिकल कॉम्पोजिशन, दे आर नॉट नेचुरल, दे आर मैन मेड. उनको अगर हम लगा रहे हैं तो हमारी नेचुरल बॉडी जो है वो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होती है, फिजिकली, फिजियोलॉजिकली, साइकोलॉजिकली एंड सोशली. आप अपने सोशलाइजिंग ही इंजॉय नहीं कर सकते. मैन इज अ सोशल एनिमल. हम आइसोलेट होकर नहीं रह सकते हैं. हम किसी के बर्थडे पे नहीं जाएंगे ताकि हमें खाना ना पड़े. दिस इज नॉट द वे टू फॉलो योर डाइट प्लान्स. यू जस्ट टेल अस क्या सेलिब्रेशन है. वो 3 दिन घूमने भी गई थी नीतू शायद कहीं पर. उन्होंने पूछा नीतू से
Yes,
कि मैं
ma'am.
वहां पर कैसे करूंगी, तो इसका फोन आया, मैम अब तो वो 3 दिन घूमने जा रही है, मैं क्या करूं. ऐसे उनको बोलो वहां पर कोई डाइट प्लान नहीं होने वाला, अब जो खाना है खा लीजिए. बिकॉज अभी तो वो घर पे डाइट प्लान के लिए कह रही हैं कि मुझे कोई फैंसी डाइट वगैरह सजेस्ट मत करना, मैं अपने लिए कुछ अलग नहीं बनाऊंगी. जब वो पूरी फैमिली के साथ बाहर ढाबे पे बैठी हैं तो वहां क्या कर लेंगी वो.
और मैम वहां पे उन्होंने सोच समझ के खाया एंड शी डिड नॉट
बस.
गेन वेट. देयर वाज नॉट
Yeah.
वेट लॉस फॉर दोस 3 days, बट शी डिड नॉट
Exactly.
गेन वेट. दैट इज द थिंग. नहीं तो नॉर्मली 3 दिन के बाद लोग आते हैं तो 1-2 किलो बड़ा होता है,
बिल्कुल.
बट देयर वाज
True.
नो वेट गेन. एंड
मेरे
प्लस
पास
फैमिली इज नाउ एंजॉयिंग व्हाट शी इज मेकिंग. जो वो बनाती है खाने के लिए सभी लोग वही खाते हैं. दे आर वेरी
वही
हैप्पी
खाते
ईटिंग दैट.
exactly. So if you can associate one person from one family, आप पूरी पूरी फैमिलीज को फिटनेस की तरफ ला सकते हैं.
एग्जैक्टली.
बिकॉज एक इंसान में जब इम्प्रूवमेंट आता है, सभी लोग क्यों ट्राई करना नहीं चाहते, क्योंकि हर एक को लगता है मेरे बस का है नहीं. जब उन्होंने ये देखेंगे कि अरे 55 साल की हमारी मम्मी जो सब कुछ खाने के लिए हमेशा तैयार रहती थी, वो अब ये कह रही है कि मैं इस टाइम पे ये खाऊंगी, मैं इतना ही खाऊंगी, और उनकी बॉडी के पेन इस उम्र में ठीक हो गए, वो हेल एंड हेल्दी हो रही हैं, उनका इरिटेशन लेवल खत्म हो रहा है. पहले
मैम
बैठकर
योगा कर रही है वो मेरे साथ. शी इज ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड डूइंग योगा विद मी.
योगा कर रही हैं. जहां बैठकर 2 बारी कहती थी पानी पकड़ा दो, अब कहती है अच्छा पानी मैं लेने जा रही हूँ किचन में, किसी को पानी चाहिए तो बताओ. सो यू नो द क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ चेंजेस. हमें लॉन्जेविटी की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हमें लंबा जीना है उसकी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हमें कैसे जीना है, क्वालिटी. क्या हमें लास्ट के 5 8 10 साल जो है सभी लोगों को तंग करते हुए हॉस्पिटल जाना है, डॉक्टर का अपॉइंटमेंट है, ऐसे लाइफ का, लॉन्जेविटी का कोई फायदा नहीं है. सो वी वांट अ क्वालिटी लाइफ जहां इंसान अपने को डिजीज फ्री रखे और सोशलाइजिंग भी करे और सब कुछ एंजॉय करे. वरना देखिए द लास्ट कोट आई वुड लाइक टू से, साधु संत तो बन नहीं सकते ना, अदरवाइज सबको पता है दलिया खाओ, खिचड़ी खाओ, नींबू पानी, अदरक पानी, दैट्स ऑल. नो पिज्जा, नो बर्गर, नो केक, नो चॉकलेट. ऐसा तो फिर सब यही बोलते हैं, फिर मैम जीने का फायदा क्या है कि सब लोग खाएं और हम ही ना खाएं, फिर कमाने का भी फायदा क्या है. फिर तो साधु संत ही बन जाते हैं. और यही मेरा हमेशा लाइन रहता है कि हम सोशल सिस्टम में, हम फैमिली सिस्टम में है, हम साधु संत नहीं बन सकते। अगर किसी की एनिवर्सरी है, घर में बर्थडे है, हम क्यों नहीं सेलिब्रेट करेंगे? सेलिब्रेशन इज द फाउंडेशन ऑफ लाइफ। वैसे ही सारा दिन तो हम लोग परेशान रहते हैं अपनी अपनी ड्यूटीज पे, चाहे वो स्टूडेंट हैं, हाउस मेकर हैं, प्रोफेशनल्स हैं, बड़े हैं, बूढ़े हैं, जो भी हैं। सो सेलिब्रेशन इज इम्प्रूव्स द फैमिली कोहेजन, सोसाइटी कोहेजन। तो सेलिब्रेशन तो हमें चाहिए। अब दिवाली की मिठाई ना खाएंगे ना बांटेंगे, दिवाली कैसे मनाएंगे? पटाखे वैसे कहते हैं पॉल्यूशन के कारण नहीं चलाने हैं। सो धीरे धीरे तो फेस्टिवल्स ही निकल जाएंगे हमारी लाइफ से। एंड व्हाई दीज फेस्टिवल्स आर सिंस बिगिनिंग्स, जब से हमारा समाज शुरू हुआ है, कल्चर शुरू हुआ है, क्यों ये फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं, क्यों सेलिब्रेशंस होते हैं? बिकॉज ऑफ द ग्रुप कोहेजन, साइकोलॉजिकल बूस्टिंग होती है। फेस्टिवल्स आते हैं, हम कितना खुश होना शुरू हो जाते हैं। प्रॉब्लम्स तो वही रहती हैं लाइफ की, बट एक सेलिब्रेशन मोड में आ जाते हैं, थोड़ा सा भूल जाते हैं, थोड़ा नई एक प्रिपरेशन में आ जाते हैं। अच्छा दिवाली आ रही है, नए कपड़े हैं, घर सजाना है, होली आ रही है, कौन सा पुराना से पुराना कपड़ा पहनना है कि रंग गिर जाए तो हमें टेंशन नहीं होगी, कौन सा। तो एक प्रिपरेशन होती है, माइंड थोड़ा सा डाइवर्ट होता है, वरना सब 9 to 5 और सब वही सारी फैमिलीज के बीच में एक सिस्टम जो है, लाइफ जो है स्टैग्नेट हो जाएगी। सो हेल्प पीपल, let them reduce the weight, let them deal with the disease, and let them give the health and happiness, so that we have a good social system, we have good society, लोग irritated ना घूमे, लोग परेशान ना घूमे, और लोग enjoy करें, celebrate करें लाइफ को, सोसाइटी को, हर एक को। That is the mission. So join my mission. Any question, please ask. Help people, people need, society needs, and why I am differently, on my, why I am claiming that I will teach you something differently, because I have dealt the people with 138 kgs, where the medical sciences and doctors जस्ट हाथ खड़े कर दिए थे। शी वॉज जस्ट 42 years old कि मैडम अब हार्ट अटैक भी हुआ तो हम आपको फर्स्ट एड भी नहीं दे सकेंगे, बिकॉज द फैट लेयर्स आर सो मच we will not be able to reach out. So reduce weight. Now reduce weight का कहानी ये था कि जिस जिम में वो गई, ब्रांडेड जिम था, और वहां के पर्सनल ट्रेनर ने बोला मैडम जी ट्रेडमिल पे ना दौड़ोगी तो पतली ना होगी। मैडम से चला नहीं जा रहा 132 134 किलो पर, और वो पूरा फ्रेंड्स ग्रुप था 128 किलो, 126 किलो, 132 किलो, 118 किलो, ये पूरा उनका फ्रेंड ग्रुप था। क्योंकि हम लोग फिर उसी ग्रुप में रहना शुरू कर देते हैं ना, वी अट्रैक्ट ईच अदर्स ऑरा। तो कहीं ना कहीं साइकोलॉजी भी समझिए कि पूरा ग्रुप ही वो उस बेल्ट में आ गया था। और मैडम जी से तो एक्सरसाइज हुई नहीं, तो वो वहां से वापस आ गए, क्योंकि उन्होंने कोशिश की 3-4 दिन, इतने ओवरवेट के साथ घुटनों में इतना पेन हुआ कि वो फिर से बेड रिडन हुई। अब जब वो डॉक्टर के पास पहुंची कि बिल्कुल ही नहीं उठा जा रहा, एक ही बेटा है जिसको पालना है 8वीं 7वीं क्लास में, तो डॉक्टर्स ने कहा मैडम या तो घुटने बदलवा लीजिए या मोटापे की बायोरेट्रिक सर्जरी करा लीजिए। अब सर्जरी के हाल कई हम लोग दिल्ली फरीदाबाद में बहुत देख चुके हैं, क्योंकि बहुत धड़ल्ले से हमारे यहाँ सर्जरीज की गई बायोरेट्रिक, कुछ सो कॉल्ड हॉस्पिटल्स की। अब उसमें से कुछ केस बिगड़ गए, जिसमें लास्ट में डॉक्टर्स ने कहा माय सर्जरी इज सक्सेसफुल, योर बॉडी इज नॉट रिस्पॉन्डिंग प्रॉपरली। तो वो भी सारा का सारा डॉक्टर्स ने भी उन्हीं लोगों के ऊपर सारा का सारा वेट डाल दिया कि हमारा कुछ नहीं, तुम्हारी बॉडी। तो लोग अपनी बॉडी से इतना परेशान रहने लग गए। सो शी केम टू मी आफ्टर रीडिंग सम आर्टिकल एंड आफ्टर लिसनिंग फ्रॉम फ्यू ऑफ हर किटी फ्रेंड्स कि मैम से मिलकर आते। तो बिल्कुल लोग जब आपके पास आएंगे, बिल्कुल उनके हाथ पांव जुड़े हुए होंगे कि हमारा कुछ हो नहीं सकता। You have to give them confidence and you have to tell them your science and way कि आप कैसे करोगे। और जहां 2 से 3 हफ्ते खाते खिलाते पिलाते अगर आप उनका 2.5 से 3 किलो वेट रिड्यूस कर देते हैं, जहां उनको कोई सफरिंग नहीं हुई, कोई टॉर्चर नहीं हुआ, दे विल होल्ड योर हैंड। पहले तो हम उनका हैंड होल्ड करते हैं कि आओ प्लीज हमारे साथ शुरू करो, बाद में दे विल होल्ड योर हैंड एंड दे विल कैच होल्ड ऑफ देयर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली कि जाओ मेरी मैडम के पास जाओ, मेरे सर के पास जाओ। और मेरे पास जब लोग आते थे तो ये कहते थे मैम इसके साथ क्या किया है, हर किट्टी में आती है, अगली किट्टी में पतली होती है, खाती भी सब कुछ, आप इसको अलाव भी सब कुछ करके भेजते हो। वो हमेशा बोलते थे तेरी तेरी मैडम खाने देती है। हाँ तू सच में बताएगी उनको? वो कहते हाँ तुम्हारे सामने फोन करके बता दो कि मैडम मैं किट्टी में ये खा रही हूँ। एंड लिटरली उन्होंने मुझे कॉल किया है, मैम मेरे सामने ये ऑप्शन है किट्टी में मैं क्या खाऊं, ऐसा ये खा लो कोई बात नहीं, उसके बाद मैं डाइट प्लान भेज दूंगी कि करना क्या है। तो उन्होंने लाइव एग्जाम्पल अपने फ्रेंड्स को दिए कॉन्फिडेंस देने के लिए कि देखो मैं उनके कहने पर खा रही हूँ, ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं उनसे झूठ बोलूंगी। सो हमसे किसी को झूठ बोलने की जरूरत ही नहीं है। इन द फर्स्ट वेरी काउंसलिंग आई सेड आई विल टीच यू टू सेट से एंड क्लेम योर पेशेंट कि आप जो कुछ भी खाएं, कभी आपको खाना पड़ ही जाएगा, ऐसी बात नहीं है, महीना 2 महीना 4 महीना लंबी जर्नी है थोड़ी सी, आप खा लीजिए, बस मुझे बता दीजिए। सो कॉल्ड ब्रांड्स की डाइटिशियन चेरी क्यों खा ली, आपके प्लान में नहीं था, जो डांटा उन्होंने। एक 60 years old women she came to me, उनके खुद के बेटे जो हैं वो डॉक्टर हैं, और वो बेचारी सुबह सुबह बहुत ही रोते हुए से हाल में मेरे पास आई। उनका बेटा ही लेकर आया डॉक्टर मेरे पास कि अच्छा उन मैडम के पास चले जाओ, क्योंकि वो सो कॉल्ड ब्रांड की डाइटिशियन ने उनको बोला कि आपका वेट बढ़ा हुआ है, कितना, 600 ग्राम। सो कल जो आपका वेट था हमें वही वेट चाहिए, नहीं तो हम आपको ट्रीटमेंट नहीं देंगे, यू गो बैक। अर्ली मॉर्निंग 8 बजे का उनका अपॉइंटमेंट था। तो उन्होंने बोला कि मैंने ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं किया, बिलीव मी मैंने नहीं खाया है, क्योंकि उनकी बॉडी ना बिल्कुल वैसी थी जैसे बब्बी लहरी की बॉडी है, टांगे पतली पतली और शरीर बहुत ज्यादा हैवी था, और 60 years की वो हो ही चुकी थी, तो एक्सरसाइज वगैरह तो नहीं हो पा रही थी। उन्होंने बोला नहीं आपने कुछ तो खाया, कुछ तो खाया। बस उनकी गलती ये, उन्होंने सच बोल दिया कि शाम को बेटा जो है, चेरीज आई हुई है आजकल मार्केट में, तो मैंने 5-7 चेरीज खा ली। और आप सब भी मानोगे कि अगर एक इंसान कॉन्शियस है तो वो 4 से 5-7 चेरी से ज्यादा नहीं खा सकता। चेरीज कितनी होती है? कहती है मैम उन्होंने जो बदतमीजी से मुझे डांटना शुरू किया कि मेरी तो बर्दाश्त के बाहर था। सो आई जस्ट लेफ्ट इट, और मैं अब वापस नहीं जाऊंगी। मेरा वहां 60,000 रुपए का पैकेज है, पर मैं वापस नहीं जाऊंगी। और वो बाहर आकर ऑलमोस्ट क्राई करके ही आई थी अपने, क्योंकि बेटा उन्हें लेने आया, तो फिर वो सीधा मेरे पास लेकर आई। तो लोगों का ऐसा बेहाल हाल कर रखा है लोगों ने, मतलब सो कॉल्ड ब्रांड्स और डाइटिशियंस और जिम ट्रेनर्स ने या फिटनेस ट्रेनर्स ने। So please join the mission so that you can heal the society and you can give them the confidence, you can give their life back कि आपकी बॉडी का हो सकता है। And last claim I do to the people, मैडम वो फेल हो गया, वो फेल हो गया, वो फेल हो गया, आप कैसे करोगे? तो आई क्लेम टू द पीपल, जो आप मेरे थ्रू अपने क्लाइंट्स को बोलेंगे कि देखिए हम साइंस के हिसाब से रिड्यूस करने की कोशिश करेंगे। अगर साइंस फेल होती है ह्यूमन बॉडी पे, तो इसका मतलब या तो आपकी बॉडी एलियन है या हमारी साइंस फेल है। सो एलियन बॉडी तो है नहीं, अभी मुझे तो 30 सालों में मिली नहीं है एलियन बॉडी। और साइंस अगर बिल्कुल फेल हो गई, पूरे वर्ल्ड की साइंस फेल हो गई, हमारे पास इतने एक्सपर्ट हैं, रिसर्चर्स हैं, नासा है, हम वहां तक के साइंटिस्ट को अपने साथ उनको बोलेंगे भैया ये बॉडी है, इस पे सारी साइंस फेल हो गई है, आ जाओ, लेट्स डू द रिसर्च। कौन सी ऐसी प्रॉब्लम है जिसका सॉल्यूशन इस समय मॉडर्न साइंस के पास नहीं है, जहां पर हम डीएनए जीन थेरेपी भी पहुंच गए हैं। सो ब्लड ग्रुप डाइट प्लान्स हैं, जीन थेरेपी, ये सब बहुत एडवांस लेवल के हैं। तो पहले न्यूट्रिशन से स्टार्ट करिए, जहां पर आप इतने ब्यूटीफुल रिजल्ट्स वैसे ही दे सकते हैं। डीएनए डाइट प्लान और ब्लड ग्रुप डाइट प्लान तो मैं बहुत लास्ट में आकर यूज करती हूँ, जहां पर बॉडी बिल्कुल रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं देती है। सो इतने आप नीतू जी ने बहुत अच्छे एग्जाम्पल अभी लेटेस्ट ही आपको दिया है कि अगर हम 55-year-old woman who is suffering with the COVID, post-COVID symptoms, who is not able to exercise, who is suffering with the body pain, not ready to, do something very specific. अगर हम उनको भी रिजल्ट दे सकते हैं जिसमें से डेढ़ से 2 हफ्ते वो चीट करती रही थोड़ा थोड़ा हमारे को, लेकिन बाद में उन्होंने थोड़ा सा हमारा साथ दिया तो हमने उनको ये रिजल्ट दे दिया। अब वो जो है वो बिल्कुल, फिर तो यही हो जाता है कि लोग कहते हैं जो मेरी मैडम कहती है वो कर। जब वो मेरे को किटी में से लेकर आते थे लोग कि मैडम इसके साथ क्या किया है, तो मैं बोलती थी वही मैं आपके साथ करूंगी। ये तो सब कुछ खाती है, तो मैं आपको भी खिला खिला के पतला करूंगी। सो आई बिकेम वेरी फेमस इन दिल्ली एनसीआर कि मैम के पास जाओ, मैम खिला खिला के पतला करती है। क्योंकि भूखे कोई नहीं रह सकता, मैं खुद नहीं रह सकती, किसी को क्यों बोले। हर 4 घंटे में मेटाबॉलिक जूसेस निकलेंगे, वो सेक्रेट होंगे, तो हर 4 घंटे में भूख लगती है। नाउ द ऑप्शन इज ओनली, द सॉल्यूशन इज ओनली कि हम जो खा रहे हैं वो हमारी बॉडी के लिए अच्छा हो। अगर हमारी कोई प्री कंडीशंस हैं डीएनए में, सपोज हमारे पेरेंट्स डायबिटिक है, ब्लड प्रेशर है, स्ट्रेस है, गाउट है, आर्थराइटिस है, ऐसी कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, तो हम उसको किस सिस्टम में ले आए कि वो हमें ना अफेक्ट करे, बिकॉज डीएनए डिजीज को हम डिले कर सकते हैं और हम डीएनए को चीट भी कर सकते हैं। ना वेट लॉस के लिए जब लोग मुझे डीएनए की स्टोरी कहते हैं, मैडम ये तो हेरिडिटिकल है, तो मैं उन्हें एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ करीना कपूर और करिश्मा कपूर का। पूरे इंडिया में करीना कपूर ने जीरो फिगर इंट्रोड्यूस की। ऑल्दो जीरो फिगर एज अ बीइंग अ डॉक्टर वी डोंट रिकमेंड, क्योंकि वो 3 बार सेट में बेहोश भी हुई, बट फिर भी मैं उसका एग्जाम्पल इसलिए देती हूँ कि उनकी कपूर फैमिली को आप पृथ्वीराज कपूर से जानते हैं, आप लोग विजुअलाइज कर सकते हैं, एक एक को आपने देखा हुआ है। उससे खराब डीएनए किसी का होगा क्या फॉर द ओबेसिटी? एक एंसेस्ट्री, सेकेंड, थर्ड, हम 3 जनरेशन को जानते हैं, चौथी वो जनरेशन खुद है। एंड इफ दे कैन डू, सोनम कपूर कैन डू, व्हाई नॉट यू? तो लोग मुझे जवाब देते हैं मैम वो तो मॉडल्स हैं, हीरोइन है। ओके, बॉडी तो सेम है। जब भगवान जी ने भेजा था, जो बनाया था, जो फॉर्मेशन, तो ये तो नहीं पता था ये हीरोइन बनेगी या नहीं बनेगी, कौन सी फैमिली में पैदा हो रही है, तो फैमिली का डीएनए तो था ना। देन दे हैव डिसाइडेड कि हमें तो हीरोइन बनना है, क्योंकि बहुत सारे बच्चे नहीं भी बनते हैं हीरो हीरोइन, जिनके पेरेंट्स ऑलरेडी इंडस्ट्री में, बहुत सारे बच्चे नहीं आते। सो व्हेन शी हैज डिसाइडेड, तो उनको फिर उस फॉर्म में आना पड़ेगा। फिर उनके जितने भी मेल मेंबर हैं फैमिली के जो बहुत हैवी हैं, उनकी तरह तो वो नहीं इंट्रोड्यूस हो सकती फैमिली में, इंडस्ट्री में, तो दे डिड इट। सो जैसे उन्होंने किया वैसे आप भी कर सकते हैं। सो डू नॉट टेल मी द थ्योरी ऑफ डीएनए, वो हीरोइन है, वो ये है, यू कैन ऑल्सो डू इट। पर क्या चाहिए? द सिस्टमैटिक प्लानिंग, जहां आप टॉर्चर ना, वो तो बेचारे टॉर्चर भी हुए, हम तो टॉर्चर भी नहीं करते हैं, क्योंकि हमें इतनी जल्दी रिजल्ट नहीं चाहिए। गजनी में इतनी जल्दी, और वो जो दैट गर्ल वेदिता, फिल्म इंडस्ट्री से है हमारे साथ, वेदिता बताएंगी हमें कौन सी पटनेकर, भूमि पटनेकर।
हाँ भूमि,
just,
हाँ her first movie में वो she was the fat girl, और अभी she's completely thin, slim.
उसने गेन किया था, उसको खिलाया गया था, वो कहती थी मैं खा खा के थक चुकी थी, बिकॉज मेरे को वेट गेन करना था, और उसको वापस रिड्यूस कराया। आमिर खान को वेट गेन कराया, वेट रिड्यूस कराया, बॉडी बनाई, बॉडी चेंज करवाई, उसके बाद उसने फिर जो मूवी की उसमें फिर उसको बहुत छोटा लगना था। तो ये सब आपकी
मूवी आमिर, हम because he's a perfectionist, एक शॉट के लिए he had put on so much of weight अपने daughters के साथ, पूरा stomach out, and next shot में he was cut down completely.
Yes,
उन्होंने किया। Yes ma'am.
So बस the thing is now maybe the last question maybe हो सकता है किसी के भी दिमाग में कि बाकी लोग क्यों नहीं कर पा रहे, so called established brands or dietitians, because they are not working on one-on-one. अब उनके साथ क्या है ब्रांड्स के साथ कि उनके पर्टिकुलर डाइट प्लान्स बने हुए हैं, छोटी छोटी डाइटिशियंस बिठा रखी हैं, और उनको बता रखा है पहले दिन कोई आएगा उसको ये दे देना, दूसरे दिन आएगा ये दे देना. They don't even concern कि if you are working in the night shift, नहीं आपको सुबह ही खाना है. अरे बहना, जो 4 बजे वापस आया है घर, वो पहले सोएगा या पहले खाएगा? 7 बजे के बाद हम डिनर नहीं देंगे. अरे भाई, जिसकी शिफ्ट 10 बजे से सुबह 5 बजे तक है, उसको 7 बजे के बाद आप डिनर नहीं दोगे, कुछ खाना अलाउ नहीं करोगे, तो वो भूखे पेट अपनी ड्यूटी कैसे करेगा रात को? और उसका सॉल्यूशन बच्चों ने क्या निकाला? वो सिगरेट ज्यादा पीने लग गए भूख मारने के लिए. जितने भी कॉल सेंटर्स शुरू हुए, जितने भी नाइट शिफ्ट शुरू हुई, जो मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज रात को काम करती हैं, जैसे यूएस में इस वक्त सुबह है, हमारे यहाँ लॉस एंजलिस में, सो बच्चे वहां से रात को जो काम करते हैं यूएस वगैरह के लिए, इस बेल्ट के लिए, वो लोग फिर क्या करें? तो इसलिए भूख मारना इज नॉट द सॉल्यूशन. एंड लास्टली मैं बता दूं, व्हाट हैपेंस विद द डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस. क्यों मैं कहती हूँ खाइए? बिकॉज 4 घंटे बाद जो डाइजेस्टिव जूस सेक्रीट होते हैं, वो अल्टीमेटली उनका क्या होता है? दे कैन नॉट बी एलिमिनेटेड. हमारा एलिमिनेशन का 2 ही सिस्टम है, यूरिनेशन, वाटर होगा तो यूरिनेशन होगा, एंड देन वो वाटर और यूरिनेशन जो है आपके मेटाबॉलिक जूसेस को थ्रो आउट नहीं कर सकते बॉडी से. देन द डाइजेशन फेकल, जो हम मॉर्निंग में फेकल एलिमिनेट करते हैं अपनी बॉडी से. अब डाइजेस्टिव जूस को जब कुछ डाइजेशन के लिए नहीं मिला तो उसका केमिकल कॉम्पोजिशन चेंज नहीं हुआ. उस केमिकल को हमारी बॉडी पहचानती नहीं है. इन अ वेरी लेमन लैंग्वेज में आप लोगों को समझा रही हूँ. तो उसका क्या होता है? बिकॉज जो जूस सेक्रीट हुआ उसको एक खाना मिलना था, दाल चावल रोटी सब्जी फल फ्रूट कुछ तो मिलना था, उसका केमिकल चेंज हो जाना चाहिए था. अब जब चेंज केमिकल हो जाएगा, एप्पल खा के खीरा खा के, उसको हमारी बॉडी रिकॉग्नाइज करती है कि उसका क्या करना है. उसमें से मिनरल निकालने हैं, प्रोटीन निकाल के मसल्स को भेजना है, कार्बोहाइड्रेट निकालना है, एनर्जी देना है, ब्लड ग्लाइकोजन भेजना है, एक्स्ट्रा हो गया तो फैट करना है. इसको पहचानती है पर इसको नहीं पहचानती. तो क्या होता है? सारे जॉइंट्स में ये जाकर एक्युमुलेट होता है और वो कारण बनता है गाउट और आर्थराइटिस का. सिंपल. अब मेरा क्वेश्चन है उन सो मच क्वालिफाइड डाइटिशियन से कि आप जो इतने लंबे लंबे समय तक भूखा रखते हैं, आप अपने पेशेंट का जो क्रैश डाइटिंग से वेट लॉस करा रहे हैं, भविष्य के लिए आप उनको आर्थराइटिस और गाउट दे रहे हैं. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, आप कितने ही बड़े ऑर्थो के पास चले जाइए, डॉक्टर एबर्ट हुआ करते थे, दिल्ली के सबसे माने हुए, उन्होंने कहा था आर्थराइटिस का कोई इलाज नहीं, सिर्फ एक्सरसाइज इलाज है. बिकॉज एक्सरसाइज के थ्रू अगर थोड़ा केमिकल कॉम्पोजिशन जॉइंट में से स्लोली रिलीज हो जाए तो आपके जॉइंट स्टिफनेस से और टेढ़े मेढ़े होने से बच सकते हैं. दैट्स ऑल. सो अभी का देखकर प्रेजेंट में आपको क्या रिजल्ट देखने हैं, उसके लिए आप लोगों का भविष्य खराब कर. सो नो क्रैश डाइटिंग. आप खिलाइए, सब लोगों को आप रिजल्ट दे सकते हैं विद एनी डिजीज, विद ओबेसिटी, विद एनी काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम. You have to just work upon it. Work on individual body. एक डाइट प्लान सबके लिए काम नहीं. Thank you so much. I know it's night over there. Okay, I'm on time. 9 o'clock. ठीक है. मुझे लगा मैं फिर से मेरा लेक्चर लंबा हो गया as usual. Okay. Any question? I would like all of you to join it so that you can be on the mission to save the people, to give them the health and happiness. और जैसे नीतू ने कहा, सबका भला करें. अगर आप में थोड़ा सा पढ़ने की इच्छा है और इंक्लिनेशन है टुवर्ड्स द वेलनेस, टुवर्ड्स न्यूट्रिशन, आपको अच्छा लगता है इन चीजों के बारे में पढ़ना समझना और लोगों को बताना, हेल्प करना, तो प्लीज ज्वाइन द मिशन and you can be a nutritionist, you can help people. That's all from my side. Now the question.
Ma'am, can I ask?
Yeah, sure, Vedita.
Ma'am, I wanted to know if we join this course, the certified course for nutrition, will we get both the sides? I mean, अमेरिका में तो दाल चावल ये सब कुछ नहीं है यहाँ पर. It's so difficult to get Indian food, but so how can I explain it in for the people here? Will I get both?
Yeah.
Like, will I come to know? Ma'am?
Exactly. The first you will come to know with the curriculum that how the metabolism, anabolism, catabolism actually work. kaise karta hai. Then we will come to the macronutrients and micronutrients. Then we will come
Okay.
to index, how we use it. Then we will come to the biochemistry, how the food, behave. क्योंकि अगर आप यहाँ पिज्जा खा रहे हैं, डोमिनोज का पिज्जा यहाँ है, बर्गर यहाँ है, मैकडी का वहां पर भी वही सब है. So अब तो वहां पर भी दाल चावल बच्चे कम ही खाते हैं. So we have cake, pastry, chocolate, सब. Now it's a global, world. सब चीजें पहुंची हुई है एक दूसरे की. तो यहाँ पर भी दाल चावल मिल जाते हैं, बट आई नो कि यहाँ पर फिर वही है कि हमारी हैबिट्स जो हैं वो चेंज हो जाती हैं. सो जो फूड लेबल मिलेंगे आपको, जो कैलोरी चार्ट मिलेंगे, वो आपको दोनों तरीके के मिलेंगे, सो दैट यू कैन इंट्रोड्यूस. यहाँ पे अगर डाइट प्लान बना रहे हैं, वो लोग ऐसे लोग हैं जो दाल चावल नहीं खाते, तो उनको आपने क्या ऑप्शन देते हैं. जैसे इंडिया में पास्ता को बहुत सोचते हैं कि ये गलत फूड है, बट ऐसा नहीं है. पास्ता जो है स्पेन में तो पास्ता ही वो खाएंगे लोग, दाल चावल नहीं होता.
European food, yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
They have.
So every country has their specific food, so we will go to with them also कि यूएस में क्या होता है और इंडिया में क्या है, तो हम क्या सजेशंस कर सकते हैं. कोर्स की डिटेल्स ही अंसारी जी बता रही हूँ मैं, कि ये सारे हमारे कंटेंट पढ़ने के लिए जो वेदिता ने क्वेश्चन पूछा, मेजर डिजीज के साथ सॉल्यूशन क्या होगा, न्यूट्रिशन में कैलोरी काउंट्स हम कैसे करते हैं, कैसे एडजस्टमेंट्स होता है, टाइमिंग क्यों मैटर करता है, मैक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स कितने चाहिए, माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स क्या होते हैं, वो किस तरीके से हमें चाहिए, और ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स क्या है. बहुत सारे मिथ्स जो हैं वो आप लोगों को पता लगेंगे कि लोग कहाँ गलतियां कर रहे हैं. जो लोग सोचते हैं कि ये गुड है हमारी हेल्थ के लिए, वही एक्चुअली उनको इम्पैक्ट कर रहा होता है, बिकॉज वो उनकी बॉडी के लिए ठीक नहीं है. अदरवाइज जितनी अच्छी चीजें हैं सोसाइटी में, अच्छा फल, अच्छा वेजिटेबल, अच्छा खाना.
Excuse me?
Yeah.
This course is conducted for the personal nutritional awareness, or can we do it for the career purpose?
This is for the career purpose only. This is for the career purpose. You can go ahead and handle the clients. This is a certification course, and you will be nutritionist, not the dietitian. You will be nutritionist. You can suggest nutrition to people. You are not going to suggest any medicine, vitamin.
Actually, the validity for the
affiliation.
Affiliation. Sorry, yeah, affiliation.
Yeah. So our institute,
because this situation, there is lot of teams coming in the social media for lot of courses they are offering, but most of the courses are actually really cheating. Lot of courses. That's why we are fear each and every course coming. That's why I'm always hearing after that. But you're very fantastic. I don't know more about the Hindi. Just something. No, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm from Kerala. That's why thoda malum.
I know. My Kerala student in my Deshbandhu college class also. I have only 2 Kerala students, but as soon as I switch to Hindi, they always say, "Ma'am, we are not able to understand."
Yeah.
Okay, I was not aware of that you couldn't understand. I have
but something I know. I understand what you're saying. Is that I can grasp it. Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah. After that, how many days this course?
The details of the course, Yogesh is going to tell you about my if any question about the content and the accreditation, I was about to tell you about the accreditation. That is Institute for Sports and Fitness Development. This is running under the NGO, Society for Sports and Fitness Development, which is affiliated with Niti Aayog, India. We are conducting the courses for past, since 2008. And in 2008, we have taken the affiliation from NBFE, Florida, USA. National Board of Fitness Examiner, Florida, USA. So you can work and you can help people by providing them the nutrition counseling according to their aim, their diseases, and no dieting is the mantra. Because depriving of food, sabhi kuch khana chhod dijiye, it is not possible for people. So this is all about that. Any question regarding this?
Ma'am, we can also do, while we are doing this course, we can also do personal any issues while we are doing the course and follow that up.
Yeah, definitely. You can always discuss with your case, with your problems, so that we give you the solution. Pehle you can heal your own body and you can help. Definitely. Because आप अपनी problem के लिए कहाँ जाएंगे?
Exactly.
Do you have any continuous support after the course?
Ansari ji, मेरे student 30 years से मेरे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं. Once you will be my student, you will be always in touch with me, whether I'm in USA or India. Everybody knows 38. My number. Yeah, 38. 30.
Oh, then how old are you? 38.
I'm 50. I'm 50. I was the youngest in my college, in my batch. I'm topper from LNIT Gwalior. That is the Asia's best public. Pardon?
Ma'am, you look very young. That's the problem.
Oh, really?
Really.
Okay, Ansari, my daughter is 26 now and she has got married. I'm here with her only.
Really. Yeah, okay, very good. Okay. Look like
That's my expertise. I have started my career in 1992. 14th April 1992. Since I'm working in wellness industry. I'm a world-class 8 gymnast from India. I have represented India in Suzuki World Cup. And that was the first team went in 2006 Suzuki, Tokyo, Japan. And I have bagged the 8th ranked in aerobic gymnastics. I'm Indian coach for Indian team for aerobic gymnastics, sports psychologist for World University Games. My all specialization and qualifications are related to wellness. That is body health, like physical health and mental health. I'm bestseller. My 2 books are bestseller on Amazon. That is Marshall the Mind and Encyclopedia for Gym Trainers. Next book is coming up. That is Nutri Yoga. Neetu Sharma is writing with me. My next student is writing with me. That is Tattva Yoga. My next student, she is a doctor, naturopath, Dr. Rubina. She is writing with me a book. That is a wellness track. She is going to open the retreat in Himachal Pradesh, Kasauli. And one student from Sweden, she is writing a book on Train to Happiness. And the book we are writing, these are the projects. So we have helped them out to set their projects, set their brands. So you can check their website. That is my mentorship program. That is different than the nutrition plan, but we will help you out to guide you. And further, if you want to step up in the international level, then we will help you to set up your website. Nutriyoga.com.
Nutriyoga.com.
No, ma'am, nutriyoga.org.
.org. Sorry.
.org. Okay.
And Tattva Yoga. भूपेंद्र जी चेक करेंगे .in है .org है, मैं भूल जाती हूँ. ये मेरे स्टूडेंट्स की ही हैं. They have all done the courses with me for yoga, for nutrition, for Ayurveda, for obesity. Then they came into my mentorship program. That's a different thing. And then we have our team. You just have to pay a very nominal for creation of your website. And the brand we said, if anybody want to write a book on that brand only, then we go ahead with that. That's another project.
Name, please. Your Amazon book name, please.
Marshall the Mind.
Pardon?
Marshall the Mind.
Marshall the Mind.
Yes. And second is Encyclopedia for Gym Trainers. Yogesh, can you write it on the chat, please?
Yeah, that's very good. Encyclopedia
for gym trainers.
For gym trainers.
Yeah, one book is in yoga and stress management. That is for Delhi University students. Curriculum ki hai wo. One is aerobic, a way of life. That was very long. I have written 10 years back. And multi other books are coming up. I have many research papers on international journals and international conferences. I am international speakers. So my mission is to prepare a wellness trainer, and they can, you can earn and churn the money. People are ready to pay, but people need results. And no cheating, nothing. You have to give them the genuine results. That is going to be your advertisement and marketing. No expenditure on advertisement and marketing. Give 4 results, it will multiply with 40 clients. आपको आपके पहला जो 2 क्लाइंट होगा 3 क्लाइंट होगा वो आपको हाथ पकड़ के लाके स्टूडेंट आपके क्लाइंट्स खड़े करेगा. Like the lady, she was very rigid and reluctant. मैं ये नहीं करूंगी वो नहीं करूंगी. अब वो सबको कहती है मेरा भला हो गया तो चलो आप लोग भी चलो मेरे साथ. So that is going to be like that. Ansari ji was talking about people are selling the courses and the cheating. I don't understand what do you mean about the cheating, because everybody can run the course according to their curriculum.
Yeah. Actually, cheating means somebody is try to misunderstanding us because some courses is affiliated, but in something that that you're telling. But after the course, we can't use that certificate for anywhere, for personal purpose or anywhere. Some nutritional courses in out of India, they are providing 2 days or 1 week courses. After the course, if we are we can't do nothing for that certificate. Nothing. Some my friend doctors, they are told that this certificate is no use for that. This is their intention is only to make money. That's why
you can't use this. Just a minute. One question. It is a workshop for 2 days, or it was a course, and why you can't use that certificate? That's my question.
No. Not workshop. After 1 or 2 days workshop, they are collecting us for the course. I before 1 year before, one of my friend do the nutrition course. I think it's from USA or something. USA. He's in Indian. From USA, I think in Indian money he spent 15,000 or something money spent, and after the course, he take the print, take the certificate, and go just consult with his friend doctor. He told that this is no use for that. You can't use this nutrition certificate for your business purpose or any your consulting purpose. He told that. That's why I'm asking frankly, but okay. I don't blaming you.
No, sure. Why not? You should ask, because we are in the industry, so we must understand when we also advertise how people perceive it. What is the question in the mind of a reader? Those who want to do. So before taking admission, it is a very valid question, and we also want to understand why people take it like that they can't practice. Let me tell you, the doctor friend of yours must have confused with the dietitian certification, because there is a difference between the dietitian and nutritionist. Very few people know, and especially medical industry is something else, and wellness industry is quite different. Right? So, like if we talk about the USA, for every certificate you have done, even from the university, you have to go to the licensing agency and you have to appear in the exam, and then you have to take the license to start your business or start practicing or start getting the job. यूएस में ये सिस्टम है उनकी, क्योंकि यहाँ पर यूनिवर्सिटीज आधी से ज्यादा एफिलेटेड एक्रीडेटेड नहीं होती हैं. कोई भी यूनिवर्सिटी खोल सकता है, कोई भी कोर्स करा सकता है. Anybody can open the university and anybody can conduct the courses. For that, what they have their licensing organization. You do course from anywhere. Let me explain. You do course from any institute. You come to the licensed industry, do the examination, get the license, and then only you are allowed to do. Like in India, Yeah.
Ma'am, after taking this course, shall I use this certificate for starting a nutrition clinic or something?
Exactly. That's what my students are doing. That's what I used to do. Because for fitness, you need to give them the guidance of nutrition. For an example, the group of lady who has just finished the aerobic class, they went out and they were eating golgappas. They don't know what to eat after the exercise. They don't even have that type of knowledge. So this is knowledge about the nutrition. You are not prescribing any medicine. The clinical dietitian give them the diuretics. वो diuretics देती हैं, वो कुछ और भी दे सकती है, वो vitamins शुरू करा सकती है. But हम क्या देते हैं? What we are going to give them only the food. For vitamin B complex, go for the pineapple. It has the bromelain. It will solve the purpose. Dipali ji, fees is mentioned on the poster, that is 19,999 only. And you will have all the, you will receive all the PPTs, what I'm going to use and what I'm going to teach you, all the content material you are going to get the certificate. You have to just submit a assignment about the diet chart when we are going to prepare the different diet chart, learning about different type of case studies. Then you have to submit 3 to 5 diet charts according to the age or the different diseases. What
duration?
The duration is 10 weeks, I think, Yogesh ji, because it's a Saturday, Sunday course. Otherwise, I conduct everyday course. They are the different course. The weekend courses are different.
Duration of the course is 10 weeks. It will be conducted on weekends, Saturday and Sunday, 7:30 to 9 p.m. And I have shared my WhatsApp number in chat. So those who want to join the course, please get in touch with me. Because
Can't hear, sir. Please come on the screen, sir.
Can you hear me now?
Okay, let me explain what he is saying. He is saying that the course duration is 10 weeks, Saturday and Sundays, same timing, 7:30 to 9. You will get all the content. You will get the certificate. You have to just submit the assignment, preparing 3 to 5 diet plans. What I'm going to
Certificate is e-certificate or hard certificate?
If you want hard, we can, send it. But, there is a misconception about the e-certificate and the hard copy in Indian mind. For past 1.5 years after the COVID, even in international conferences I am speaking, we are getting the e-certificate. Because after e-certificate, generation of certificate will be on the computer itself. Designing will be on the computer. After that, if I take a printout or you take a printout, it is going to be the same thing. They are not going in the printing press. Previously, we used to order 100 certificate for one workshop or one conference in colleges, and we used to send it to the printing presses. But right now, the scenario has changed. So you can take the printout for yourself. We are also doing the same. Right now, I have just promoted as an associate professor, all the certificate, what we have done online, conferences, research paper presentation. We have just taken out the printout from our home on itself and then submitted to the university and UGC. Doesn't matter. That is only in our mind, e-certificate, and that is just a printout.
Thank you. Fees, how much you just meant? Fees once more.
19,999. That is 1999.
20,000.
Yeah, exactly. Because the course content is very heavy. You are going to be absolute nutritionist. Very rarely you will come to me, ma'am, हमें आपने ये नहीं बताया, ma'am, I am stuck somewhere. Very rarely, the student just contact me not because of the result, just how to handle a client when they are not ready to do something. That's all. Not about that they are not able to give them the results. That's not the case. Sometimes my student just, contact me that the plateau has come and I just want to need some diet plan or some, help of yours to break down that plateau. That's all. You will be well versed with the nutrition. Vedita, question.
Ma'am, after this, the certificate in America, because I'll
Pardon,
be
please?
doing, ma'am, the license, जो आप बोल रहे थे ना about the license, that obviously in America, whatever you are doing, you have to get a license for it. Can I start after the certificate?
Yes, because you are not dietitian. There are the certain things. Like I know here.
For a dietitian, because they give prescription, while nutrition is food, and that you can start without any license. That's what you're saying, right, ma'am?
Exactly.
Okay.
Here in USA, you know what? One system is there that you need the licensing only when you are working with some organization. If you are starting something your own, you don't need anything. Then you just need a registration of your company. If you want to charge here, if you are just using the PayPal, giving the address of India, and there is no issue. So that is the only difference. The licensing is essential when you are going to apply for the job somewhere.
Any basic qualification for the course? Any basic qualification needed for the course?
12th pass.
Ma'am, can I ask?
Yeah, sure.
Ma'am, if you join one of those yoga studios in America, would they recognize it, or would they ask me to give something in return?
Yesterday, I visited one of the strength training studio over here, and I just gave them my credentials, asked whether they will accept it or not. They said, we are fine, we are okay. Even they are giving the job to the yoga trainers who are yet not yoga certificate, like they are not certified from Yoga Alliance USA. They said, no, we don't bother about it. As much as if you have any certification, you're welcome.
Oh, okay. Nutrition also in the same level.
Yeah, nutrition also. I went for the nutrition also only because I don't want to be in the studio for conducting the yoga classes or aerobic classes. So I have introduced myself for the nutrition only.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
अगर कुछ ऐसा भी होगा, then we will sort it out. We will find out. अभी तक ऐसा नहीं है, because many women who have done the course from me, they are working over here.
Okay, ma'am, I told you we are shifting to US Virgin Islands, Caribbean. So I'm planned to start working there, not in Montana. So then that's what I was working, because I just need my work permit. That's once my work permit comes, then I'm officially. So then that's why, ma'am. So
then you can work.
I can work. No, that's what
you can
my
work.
thing. That's my thing.
Right. So now, with the permission of Yogesh sir, kindly permit me.
Yes,
I would like announce a discount. I know you are not appreciated, but as people have joined us and they are listening so patiently, and I think if they are listening me for past 1 hour, they are really interested to go ahead with the course. So for attending my session, I would like to facilitate them with some further discount. So I would like if they can pay only 15,999 if they enroll by tomorrow, so that from tomorrow onwards they can attend our classes. Already we have enrollments, but these maybe they are curious about. Definitely they have the questions and queries, and that's why yet they have not joined us. They have not paid the fees. So can you allow them to pay you the fee by tomorrow? So they can attend my class from tomorrow onwards. And I would like to thank them from my gesture by giving them a little more discount so that they can join me. They have just spent the very precious time with me, listening me, understanding what is my mission, what I am talking about, and how they can also lead the society with me. And the hand holding, Arfia is with me. Arfia?
Single payment.
Arfia is not with us. With hand holding, Arfia is here. Arfia, would you like to say something about my hand holding, what you have heard in my YouTube channel? And you just found me out? You can open your mic, Arfia, if you don't want to open your video. Doesn't matter.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah. Arfia, would you like to speak?
I think there's some
She's
signal
out
issue.
Network issue, I think.
Okay. So about the hand holding, anytime you can just drop me a message. As soon as I get free, maybe I'm anywhere in the world, I just respond back. If you have any query, if you have any, if you are stuck somewhere, ma'am, मेरे इस patient के या इस client के साथ ये problem है, मैं क्या करूं? What I'm going to, just suggest me something to, for this client. This is the case. Here I'm stuck. This is the report just came out. What to do for the nutrition? So I'll send you the nutrition plan immediately. But just give me a little time according to the time zone, and I'll respond back. I always respond back to my students whenever they are stuck somewhere. So don't worry about the hand holding.
Ma'am, when are you
can work together?
Officially...
Yeah.
Sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, when are you officially starting the course?
From tomorrow itself.
Oh, you're starting from tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah. From tomorrow
Okay.
itself.
Okay, ma'am.
Who else is with us? Or do you have any question, or we should wrap up the this? Yeah, Anushri. Okay, fine. So you all are having the number. Yogesh sir ने अपना number दे दिया है. He has given his number on the chat. Or may I announce it? It's 8700446995. 8700446995. So you can contact him. You can ask about the payment gateways, whatever, where you can transfer the money, how fast you can transfer the money, how you can start, and just attend the class. Don't miss any class. Although we will provide you the recording of the classes, but still I would suggest the moment you attend the online classes, then it is going to help you out to ask the question, and then you can knowledge, as well as you can ask your maths, whatever you have in your mind. Thank you so much. Over to Yogesh sir.
Thank you all for joining. All those who are interested.
Thank you, ma'am.
Can you all hear me?
Sorry.
Am I audible?
Yeah,
Yes,
you are
I can
audible.
hear you.
Okay. So all those who are interested to join, contact me on WhatsApp. My number is there on the chat, and I have shared a link if anybody wants to check the curriculum of the course. The course is 2.5 months long. There are 10 weeks. Each week there will be 2 sessions, Saturday and Monday. Sessions are normally 1.5 hour to 2 hours each, and then in the 10th week there will be assignment followed by certification. And normally we do our career conference session also after the course. So that's always part of the course. At the end of the course, there will be one mentoring or career counseling session. And we'll be finalizing batches by tomorrow. So please contact me by tomorrow. There is an option to pay in installments as well. So you can pay in installments. And as Dr. Anjum has already announced, those who are in this session are allowed to join in 16,000 is 15,999. So it's a 20% discount. So that will be all from our side, and I'll be waiting for your messages. Thank you all for joining.
Thank you. Thank you all, and
Thank
relish the
you.
gift I have provided you with the discount. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. See you.
Welcome.